Here's how to change image duration in Premiere Pro. Let's open this image in my timeline, and as you can see, by default this image or my all image duration is only 10 seconds. And now if you want to change image duration from timeline, just hover over on the last part on your image clip and you can easily increase or decrease your image duration. Let's select here only 5 seconds. And now if you want to change your default image duration, then all you have to need, first of all, delete the image from your timeline, delete the image from your project panel, then click on edit, preferences and timeline, and here you'll find still image default duration. Here first of all make sure to select seconds, and here I'm giving 5 seconds. Okay, now go ahead and relaunch your photos. Open the photo in timeline, and then here you can see my default image duration has changed to 5 seconds.